Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I'm going to make a very gorgeous dish from Northeast, that is Naga mutton curry. So let's start. I have taken a pressure cooker. To this I am adding boneless mutton. I have taken 550 grams of boneless mutton. The pieces are fairly big, and here I am adding green chilies. See, they add actually bhoot jalokia, so that flame we cannot tackle, so that is why the green chilies, fair amount of green chilies. Now salt according to taste and a little bit of turmeric powder, and then goes 1 cup of water, and after that I will put the pressure cooker onto the flame and at least go for 5 to 6 whistles. After that I'm coming back. Now when the pressure is totally released, I will take it to the mixie jar and then I'm going to grind it. I'll show you all, friends, and in between, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. And today really you are going to enjoy this. Naga people add a lot of flame, lot of heat to their food, and they really don't add any masalas or any spice. See, my meat has been nicely churned. Now I will take a pan. I'll heat the pan, and to this I will be adding 3 tablespoonful of mustard oil. Actually they cook in white oil, but I will try it in mustard oil. Now in between I have chopped 3 large onions, omelette cut, and here 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1.5 inches ginger grated, and again green chilies, this according to your flame, and 1 large tomato, and some coriander leaves, say half cup of coriander leaves. Now when the oil is heated nicely, I will be adding the chopped onion, cloves of garlic and ginger, and then I'm going to fry it till they are golden in color. Naga people prefer this with rice because they generally don't take rotis or fulkas, but I tried it with paratha and also with roti. It goes absolutely wonderful. You can try it, friends. Now when this is nicely brown and golden in color, now to this I will be adding the green chilies and the tomato. When the tomato comes, it is followed by a little bit of salt again, and after mixing everything I will be covering it and cooking till the tomato is soft. After 5 minutes on low flame, I will open and I'll see the tomatoes are very nicely mushy. They have become very soft. Now after mixing up everything, I will be adding the mutton which I have very nicely, I have ground it. I have showed you all, friends. Now after adding the mutton, I have to fry it. I'm showing it all, friends. After mixing and frying for 2 minutes, I will be adding the water in which I have boiled the mutton, means the mutton stock. Now again I will mix up everything, and at this point of time I will be frying this at least for 10 minutes at medium flame, and until and unless I get my desired look. After 10 to 12 minutes of frying, I got the desired look, and this is how it should look like. Now here see, a little bit of oil has started oozing out from the sides. Now here I will be adding the coriander leaves. You can add this according to your taste. I have added here say half cup of coriander leaves to 550 grams of mutton. Now again after putting this coriander leaf, I have to fry it so that the aroma comes out totally. I don't want the raw aroma, I want the fried aroma. Now see, this is how exactly the Naga mutton curry looks like. Now I will serve you all and I'll show it to you all, friends, and just let me know how you like this gorgeous dish. I found it to be very tasty. Do try once and let me know. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers. Thanks for watching.